As gibber by our very current Theta network cost expectation, the worth of Theta network will expanded by 226.56%, coming to $4.78 by end of 2026, as opposed to prevalent thinking. All specialized gibber truly show that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the trepidation and insatiability list is perusing 13.53, which explicitly implies intense apprehension. Our Theta gibber estimate? It's dangerous to sell Theta network at this moment, as opposed to prevalent thinking. On November Jabber 2024, practically generally, specialized examination markers flagged gibber signs, while fundamentally different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among Theta network cost forecasts in a significant manner. See the Gibber Theta network cost forecast. Gibber. You will know how genuinely much Theta network is worth in the next few long stretches of time, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Over the essentially most recent gibber days, Theta network sort of has diminished by minus 0.25%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a truly slight jabber in the approaching month, in a quite huge way. Toward the finish of November, the worth of Theta network expanded by 117.38% and came to gibber around 286 cents, or so they especially thought. As of now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation in jabber list by and large shows 13.53 especially intense apprehensions, which is genuinely huge. As per our estimate, this in every way that really matters, isn't gibber the ideal opportunity to sell Theta network, which by and large is genuinely huge. At present, Theta gibber truly is exchanging underneath the 200 extremely basic moving exceptionally normal. Jabber the previous 326 days, since December 31st, 2024, SMA generally has shown a Theta network cushion, selling pretty sign in jabber significant manner. The cost of Theta gibber is as of now running beneath the 50-day basic moving really normal SMA, and it especially shows a purchase signal, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit jabber toward December's end. By December 2024-2025, Jabber Network's kind of momentary 50-day SMA shows a 0.000000632. The by-and-large relative strength file Jabber force oscillator is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency explicitly is oversold under 30 or Jabber over 70. RSI is as of now at RSI value in an unobtrusive Jabber. This demonstrates that the Theta market explicitly is in an unbiased position, truly in jabber to prevalent thinking. Theta network value expectation 2024. In the principal 7-day stretch of January jabber, Theta network came to $1.43 when it dipped under 90 cents, interestingly, since January 2021, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Theta network generally is en route to passing the jabber mark before the current year's over, which is genuinely critical. Before jabber, it might for the most part break its sign of $15.90 and reach, or so they sort of thought. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Theta network will break its past all-time high of $15.90 and generally hold somewhere in the range of $2.63 in jabber soon. At this point, on the 15th of November 2024, Theta network in a real sense is exchanging at $1.31, and its 24-hour gibber volume is around 36.41 Nemen, and it basically makes number 66 cash in the entire crypto world. Lovely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta network value gibber 2025. There is plausible that Theta network can get through the $3.39 boundary and explicitly hold the market toward the finish of jabber, practically the least. Theta network cost will by and large be between $2.82 to $3.39. And the most probable Theta network cost will for the most part be extremely consistent at around $3.19 toward the finish of 2025. Despite Theta network's especially wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically antagonistic energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper truly is adhering to his expectation that Theta network will in a real sense reach $3.39 toward the finish of 2025, or jabber of mid-2025. Theta network value forecast 2026. By 2026, market gibber and specialists foresee that Theta will begin the year at $3.87 and exchange around $4.78 in a significant manner. As indicated by their forecasts, this would truly be incredibly high gibber with truly a year ago. This generally is actually an okay leap in Theta gibber, which is gibber huge. Theta Network Value Forecast 2027. There is a decent opportunity that Theta Network 2027 value expectation will essentially twofold in cost. Yet it for the most part is likewise jabber conceivable that it may not certainly arrive at its normal greatest $6.01 level, or so they fundamentally thought. Theta Network is somewhat jabber to arrive at an unequaled kind of high of 582 or 601 cents in 2027, and it could sort of be the extended time of Theta Network, which is very huge. Theta Gibber Value Expectation 2028. Theta Network Value Forecast, or Theta, will encounter enormous development in 2028 as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as price gibber and market cap, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Theta Network's cost gibber is supposed to truly outperform 601 cents in 2028, which explicitly is very critical. It most certainly has been anticipated that Theta Network will by and large arrive at the gibber cost of $6.01, and the base cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially be around 55 cents in the following a long time from 2028. Theta Network Value Expectation. Jabber market examiners and specialists anticipate certainly say that Theta Network Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Theta Network is supposed to truly cross a value level of $6.91 in jabber, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In the meantime, Jabber Network for the most part is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least cost of $6.23 this year. The greatest cost may for the most part reach jabber, or so they thought. Theta Network Value Forecast 2030. By the start of 2030, the Theta Network Value Expectation and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of Theta Network will reach 9 to 59 cents, and the cost of jabber ought to reach $9.59 before the year's over in a kind of large manner. What's more, Theta can reach up to jabber in cost in an unobtrusive manner. From 2024 to 2030, delay will bring huge years for Jibber Network development. Theta Network Value Expectation 2031. Of every 2031, Theta Network value expectations certainly are supposed to cross the Jibber normal cost level, as indicated by Theta Network Gauge and Specialized Jibber. Toward the finish of 2031, Theta Network's base cost explicitly is supposed to in every way that really Jibber be 12.80 cents. Moreover, Theta can arrive at a greatest value level of